All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the new truck. This is my Cybertruck. Just picked this up. All right, actually, as you guys can tell, this is not a Tesla Cybertruck. This is a GMC Sierra 1500 elevation package, 2024, brand new. It's got the Duramax 3.0-liter diesel engine with the 10-speed transmission. Guys, this is what I'm getting instead of my Cybertruck. I did a video a couple weeks ago where I talked about how I ordered a Cybertruck. Just like everyone else, I put a deposit down for a Cybertruck, a reservation. I got an email or a notification that I can start configuring my Cybertruck. I wanted originally the dual motor Cybertruck. When Tesla originally announced that in 2019, it was $49,000. Well, now that same dual motor vehicle, because it's the Foundation series, price has gone up significantly. It's $99,999. Basically, it's a $100,000 vehicle right now. So what I thought is, you know what, instead of paying Tesla $100,000, I'm going to buy the same truck that I originally wanted, but I'm going to buy it for $49,000. So I wanted to find the best truck I could find for $49,000. This is it. Guys, MSRP on this one, $63,220. This is the Thunderstorm Gray GMC Sierra 1500. The options it has the diesel engine, it has the X31, the off-road package, and it has it's 4x4, it's short bed. Guys, this is an awesome truck, man. I'm super excited about this. I paid $49,300 plus tax, which is what I would pay for the Tesla Cybertruck had it came out as its price. I think this is a much better vehicle because I don't have to worry about the low range that the Cybertruck has. The Cybertruck's only going to have like 330 miles of range. If you want to tow anything, forget about it. It's not going to be a very good tow vehicle. This has the diesel engine. This is going to get up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. I'm driving this. I had to travel about 4.5 hours away from where I live, north into Idaho, near Boise, Idaho, to buy this. So I've got a 320-mile drive back home on highway. Highway speeds are around range from 70 to 80 miles an hour. So I'm gonna go the speed limit, just show you how great the PG is on this. This has the 3-liter diesel engine. It's the LZ0. It's a refreshed version of the engine and the 10-speed automatic transmission. So that's like the perfect combination for this truck because great economy, great power. It has almost 500 pound-feet of torque, just over 300 horsepower. So this thing's very capable. I think towing's just under 9,000 pounds. This doesn't have the max tow package, but it does have the factory integrated. An option was one of the was the trailer brake controller, because I do tow my enclosed trailer with this. That's maybe 5,000 pounds. I'm not towing a lot of heavy stuff with it, so I'm not concerned about towing heavy loads. But this can definitely tow, up to 9,000 pounds. So it's very capable in that regard. But it is probably the best engine that GM's putting out right now, in my opinion. Just because of the power, the economy, the efficiency. GM just refreshed this. They first came out with it with the RPO code was the LM2. This one's the LZ0. So it's kind of has it's like a refresh version of it. They've updated a few things, made it a little more powerful, still get the same efficiency out of it. So this has a great interior. In 2023, they updated the screen area here. So the interior looks awesome. The exterior looks great. This color, this is the Thunderstorm Gray. I love the color of this thing. This thing looks awesome. Again, this is the Elevation trim. So Elevation is just above the SLE trim in the GMC line. It's below SLT. It has cloth seats, but it's heated both front and passenger seats, heated steering wheel. Basic cruise control. It doesn't have the adaptive cruise. You can get a package, but if you get that package, you cannot get this center seat here. You have to get the center console. It's about a $3,500 option. I think it's the Elevation Premium package, I believe is what they're calling it. But I need the 6-seat version of the vehicle because I've got 4 kids and my wife, so we have 6 of us. So if we ever want to take this, all 6 of us, we need to have the 6 seats, and so that was kind of limited on. I feel like this is like basic or anything. This thing feels really nice. Feels like a very premium, very nice interior. A lot of soft touch areas. Nice wood grain trim here. So I'm excited about this truck more so than the Cybertruck. If I was to pay $100,000 for the Cybertruck right now, I'd really feel like I was kind of getting ripped off because it's not very capable as far as the range is concerned. It's not going to be a good tow rig because you have to stop every 100 miles to charge. Just way overpriced right now. So I might look at it in a few years, you know, after I've had this. But I may not even want to get rid of this truck because this truck's so awesome. I was able to get almost $14,000 off of the MSRP by going through this dealership here in Idaho. I live in Utah, so it was only, like I said, just over a 300-mile drive to get up here. You can come up, you know, so I was able to drive up here and come back within the same day, so it really wasn't that bad. Dealerships in my area were maybe like $9,000 to $11,000 off the MSRP, and this one these guys did 14, which is really cool. So I'm gonna reset my trip meter here. All right, guys. So I've been driving a couple hours here. Got 222 miles on the truck, and it's driven great. It's all been highway miles, but the handling, just the road noise is very minimal. So I'm really impressed with this truck so far. How it's handling, how it drives. The engine is very responsive, so it's got really good torque. The engine's quiet too. Like when you're on highway speeds, the engine's very quiet. You wouldn't even know this is a diesel if you didn't tell someone that was a diesel. So working out great. MPG so far on this trip, 168 miles total on this, 28.2 miles of the gallon. That doesn't surprise me. I knew it was going to be high 20s. And that's been going like really between 70 to 83, 84 miles an hour. And they got some crosswinds, even had some headwinds, so I'm impressed with that number, that 28 miles of the gallon. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to leave your comments down below. Stay tuned to the next few videos in the next week or so. I'm going to go like a full tour, full overview of the truck, go through all the features, the full build, the pricing, and if you're curious about all that, I'll go through all that information. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.